For my developed answer this week, I wanted to answer my question, what aspects of Jefferson's school plan are similar to our current school system? I came up with 3 major similarities: the idea of free education, the graduated school plan, and the locations. So Jefferson planned for everyone to have 3 years of free education, which included boys and girls, which was more of a revolutionary concept at the time. This continues in our current school system, although we do have many more years free, but the general concept is the same. Jefferson also planned a 3-part school system. So he had the elementary, middle school, high school, and then college. Although his high school and college were only for boys and they did require parents to pay, the idea of the free elementary, middle school and the separated by age schooling remains the same, and his curriculum for elementary and middle school is similar to what we learn in schools today. Jefferson also planned school districts similar to how we divide our school districts by location, although not exactly how he described it. The basic idea is very similar. So overall, the core of Jefferson's plan is very evident in our schools today, and although we have adapted with time, his idea is apparently solid because we use it to this day.